This is Audrey.
And Ate Iya.
I open my gift.
Birthday gifts. From who yan?
This is from
From who? From
Mommy.
Mommy. Okay, you open.
From Mommy.
Mm.
And I can open what's inside. A blue, blue, blue.
Take off the ribbon na. Para madali.
Just looks like a blue color. Color blue, color blue. Baby alive! A baby alive! Do you know it's a baby alive? Baby alive!
Open.
A baby alive! Baby alive! Yay!
Tanggalin natin yung
Baby
ribbon.
Princess Ellie and
Ayaw matanggal yung ribbon.
the baby Princess Ellie will grow up because that's my favorite. That's her hair. Wow. Wow. This one has a box. What did everybody have?
Wow!
A baby Princess Ellie girl.
Pretty.
That is baby Princess Ellie because I
Ay,
know.
ipakita mo sa ano.
Show them.
Wait mo ang
Look at
nakita eh.
this one. Wow.
Featuring Lola pa.
This is baby Princess
Ellie.
I grow into a princess.
Yeah.
It
Ay, ate mo.
carries up
So pretty.
to
Ate.
convert try
Saan? Iwan. Hawa naman dito.
and Anna.
Hawa naman
That's a
dito.
different language eh. Ibang language siya. Next naman.
She will grow her hair.
Yeah.
You can pull her hair.
Ay, wow. Nag-grow siya.
Grow. Wow.
Oh, you show the next one. Open.
Let's
From who?
open.
From who? From who? Wala ding name.
I want
Ilang name?
to have.
Name.
Let's finish baby princess.
Oh. Kasi wala pa daw battery.
Later na yan kasi wala pang battery.
Later na daw yan.
Why not
naman.
open the ready
Ano
one?
na yung iba?
Ito mo.
Yan. Walang name.
Wala ding name.
Maybe that's mine.
It's yours talaga.
I saw something new. A
One, two, three.
stuffy toy. Wow, I like it.
How do you open this?
A teddy bear. Wow. Wow, I love a teddy bear.
Dito yung mga basura.
A teddy bear. Ah, so soft. Oh my god.
Walang name.
Ayan oh. Ito yan. Ay,
Bear. Hello, I'm a bear. There's a zipper on. Wow.
wala din name.
Okay. Let's just. Wow. A dolphin.
Ang dami na naman stop toys. Mga stop toys.
Hindi na may piggy bank.
Yung dalawa yun.
That's a piggy
Oh,
bank.
it's a piggy bank nga.
No elephant
Elephant.
bank.
Yung pao-pao ni ni Allen.
Yung ito kanina ba?
Elephant.
Elefante.
Akin na yung kay Danang Yan. Kanina yan.
From who? From who? From 30.
30.
30. Yung kanina. Kita niya yung hinong mo.
Wow!
Wow! Stop toys again.
Wow! A bunny! From TY.
30.
Hindi, yung brand.
Oh,
EY.
Ayun na
Don't
yung...
take it off. Hindi ata.
Yeah, yun pa yung...
Ah, so cute.
Next. From Walang name din.
Kasi she forgot. This is from Teacher Nick. My teacher.
Kay yan.
Alala niya.
It's a
Wow!
bee.
It's a bee, the beetle, the beetle, the beetle.
From Miguel. Who's Miguel?
There you go.
Wow!
Binigyan ka ng dress ni
So
Miguel.
pretty.
And
From Miguel.
from Miggy.
Wow! Oh, you read the letter. In Lola, show it to the camera.
Oh, nice,
Show it to the
oh.
camera.
From-
Oh, puntak pa.
From Miggy.
May letter.
You read the
at-
letter.
Wow! Happy
Wow.
birthday!
Happy birthday, Audrey.
Heart, heart, heart.
Heart, heart, heart.
Cut out pa sila.
Cut out pa sila para makapag ano sa'yo.
Yung flower mo siya natin ilagay.
That's a clothes again.
Wow! So pretty!
Ano?
Pang church clothes mo.
Wow.
Pang church clothes. Why not this one? This is
Ay, nice!
from
Ang ganda, Audrey.
Bree.
From
Brie.
Brie. Oh, you open.
Okay, this is from Bree. And I can this one. Ah!
Kay ano yan? Kay Matmat. Kasama yung mga chocolates.
Yes.
Another one.
Nice!
Squishmallow.
Dami yung squishmallows. Tungkwa sila
Ay,
nila.
Milo.
Ano yan? Hipo? Hipo ba yan?
Hippo.
This is
To be.
from Mat and this is from Toys
From,
Story.
Story. Kasi si...
basahin mo. From,
Matt.
Audrey. To Audrey from Matt. Dati guy.
Latigay.
Dati guy.
Latigay.
Natigay.
I can
Kasi dalawang mat sila eh.
si Mateo.
Matthew. Matthew din naman yung mat, diba? Wow.
Dito, lagay.
Huwag mo sirain yung bag, sayang.
ayaw pa rin kasi din.
Ang happy niya.
This is from Toy Story.
Lotso. Oslo. Si Lotso.
What's inside?
What's inside? Check it out. One by one. Wow. Coloring set.
From Sophia the First.
Coloring set. Is
Why
it?
she is the first.
Why she is the first? Hindi kasi siya nanonood. Why she is the first. Wow! Ang dami ah! May tagno pa.
This is a scary.
It's scary.
It's labubu.
Oh, tapos alam mo, magpapalit ka na. Ang cute.
Palit talaga siya. Ano yung ipansin? Katong uban wala yung ipansin.
Gusto na mag-bihis. Teka, mainit pa. Ano, bulingon na eh?
From the ukay-ukay.
Oh, it's not from daw kay Ukay. Next.
Ikaw talaga.
Kaya alam niyang brand eh.
This,
Ay!
wait a minute.
Puro hair. Hair
Ang
stuff.
cute ng gulay. Meron pa dito.
Wow! I want
Ayan pa! Isa pa! Audrey,
Oh.
may dress ka pa.
Ayan, kasama niya yan yung chocolates. The small, bag.
Bag. Saan galing? Basahin mo kasi may
You
card.
read the card.
You read the card.
Ay,
Get mo.
Sige.
hindi. Hair. Ano natin?
Ay, napala yan. Card.
Chocolate.
Wow, ang cute naman yan.
wow!
Kasama yan chocolate. Sino nagbigay niyan? Si
Maraming sulat yung chocolate.
Primo ata.
Ah.
Pwede, yan pa. Ito. Ito yung dress. Buksan mo.
Walang sulat. Ayaw lang ano.
B,
Pangalan. Kasama yan dito. Basahin mo.
Galing na galing. Read mo. Wow! Another
Aram.
dress.
Oh, from Aram.
And a
Yan.
purse.
Yan,
Yes,
7.
ka na. Oh, may ano pa oh.
Ayan, cute. May bag pa.
Ano ito naman?
Hay-hay ko lang to.
I know
Ay,
there's
gusto
a
ko na ito.
Wala pang ilaw sa loob. Wala pang ilaw sa kwarto.
There's a crown.
Yan, basahin mo. From,
From
My
sige, basahin mo. May simple.
happy birthday, Audrey, from Teacher Dawn.
Oh, de, sa likod. Basahin mo.
My simple gift for you.
Hope you like
Hope you like
it.
it.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Sabi kay ni Teacher Jonah. Nag-give pa pala si Teacher Jonah.
wow.
I like it.
Sabihin mo kay Teacher Jonah, I like it, teacher.
Dami na akong stuff.
Candy.
Wow! May candies pa.
Mallows.
Ito, ano pa mo?
Dami.
Gusto niyo. Dito ko ilagay ang gift ko.
Reuse.
Reuse ko. Gift ni Lula. Because siya.
Sana lahat.
From
Sige. Ay,
John
naku,
Calvin.
isulat.
John Calvin.
My
Calvin.
friend.
Yung hair tie. This one. From Witness and Victor. Oh.
Victor pala na yung kapatid ni Witness.
It's open.
Miss and Victor.
8
Siya mas malo.
Grabe.
Wow, so pretty. What's that color? Pastel. Oil pastel. Or coloring. And
Wow.
beads making keme-keme.
Ito, kami ni.
Last gift. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ito last. Open.
I want to open this big.
And that, I'll open this.
Happy birthday.
Wishing you a happy birthday. Look! Want to see this one?
Wow.
It's a unicorn.
Ow.
Wow, look oh.
Ano yan? Slime?
Dough. Clay.
Play-doh.
And
Oh,
dress.
napkin.
Oh, I like it.
I-fold yan. Kaya na.
From who?
Kanino to galing?
Matthew.
Ito?
Happy birthday.
Kay Mateo?
Hindi. Ito yung galing.
Ito, walang pangalan.
Wow! What's that?
Wow!
Arts and
There's
Galing sa Mateo.
a gunting.
Agunting. Arts and crafts.
That's my gunting, That's my gunting.
Ganda, may lalagyan. Uy, ang ganda ng
Arts and
lalagyan.
craft.
Ah. Hala.
Wow!
So nice. Pag mag-arts and crafts kayo.
Hey, that's my scissors.
Yeah, you have like that. But ano, gunting lang yun. Oh. Yan
May
yung
design.
lalagyan nyo.
Wala.
Ganun pa isa. Flower.
Did you get flowers? Ng Valentine's?
No, from me. And let's finish this one.
From sila na rin duha sa nabilin
Let's fun.
kami ha.
Having fun
May
this
mga
one.
mga lola kay kasi ko na sa mga apo.
I want to having fun with this one.
Wow, yung kapalo si Miggy sa instruction sa lola niya.
This one.
Okay, alam na niya eh. Kasi yun sa birthday ni Adam. Na-practice na.
Di ako na po tungginan nga doon kapot.
This
Punta
a
doon
big
ka. Punta pang mag-stop ang music ha.
Wow!
wow.
Wow, nice. Oh, wala na. No more na. Ang kay Lola na lang. Last
Lola.
one. Ayun o.
Open. We need to
Open nyo. Ang kay Lola.
What's inside?
So many panties!
Wow!
Yun pala yung sabi niya kanina.
So many!
Ipin mo. Isa.
Look, so many!
Kasi ano
Show!
open mo. One. Open mo yung isa.
This one, open mo. This one.
Kay kuha na siya kanang murag panty short. Audrey,
Open mo. Try
open
mo
mo
open.
yung isa.
Open
Kung
ka isa.
fit ba?
Mag-change ka rin ng balik.
No.
Kita po na yung lahat ng panty mo. Ano yan? Panty short yan. Open mo nga yung isa. Kung
I want to open my new toy.
This one, oh.
Ayan o, tanaw lang. Panty short, di ba? Kasi mahilig ka magpanty-panty sa bahay
Ganyan din siya. Si dati, lagi nakapanti.
Pagpanty lang sa bahay.
Sa bahay din.
Kasi wala ka nang kasamang ano.
Wala namang
Tito.
tao.
Tito at ano, papa.
Plastic bra na lang.
This one.
Open.
Kumain ko na yung mga ano mo. May dress ka pa oh.
Wow, Barbie. Wow, panty.
So many
Adam,
panty.
that's-
Ang galing yung
Ate
dress.
Ila.
Ha?
Ate Ila, let's play.
Ito.
Saan yan galing?
Ow, my shirt. Ay,
Kasama yan? Kay ano?
nothing na may ipis na dyan. Kasi pinas.
May
Say goodbye sa ano mo.
Bye, vlog!
Bye.
Nakalimutan na niya nag-vlog siya.
Off mo na.
Bye.
Gulo mo.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Ano manunood sa inyo? Ano ba yung vlog na yan?